Alright guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make delicious creamy shrimp pasta in no time at all. Super tasty and delicious. For this recipe, here are my ingredients: 2 pounds of shrimp thoroughly cleaned and deveined, heavy cream, cheddar cheese, white, pasta, and also curb and blend green seasoning. Next, Sazon seasoning and also a pinch of black pepper, garlic powder, chili flakes, and also cube seasoning. And to my left here are my chopped vegetables. Next, in a pot of boiling water, I'm just going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt and also a pinch of oil. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my pasta and cook them for 3 minutes. For your convenience, I will go ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement so you can always check it out. So to get started, here are my ingredients for seasoning: cube seasoning, garlic powder, chili flakes, Sazon seasoning, a pinch of black pepper, and also curb and blend green seasoning. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add them to my shrimps and just give it a good mix, and next set it aside for 10 minutes to marinate. As always, thank you for clicking on today's video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also like and share. As always, my current subscribers, as always, thank you so much for watching. Next step, in a heated pan, I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of oil and also chopped garlic. After 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimps and cook them for 3 minutes. So here we are guys, after 3 minutes, my shrimps are pretty much finished. Next I'm going to just finish it off with some chopped parsley, pepper, spring onion, and also a bit of tomato. Next step, using the same pan, I'm just going to go ahead and add a pinch of oil. Next, I'm going to add my chopped veggies and cook them for 3 minutes. So here we are after 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my heavy cream and just give it a good stir. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my grated cheese and just give it a good stir as well. Next, for taste and flavor, I'm just going to go ahead and add a pinch of black pepper and also cube seasoning. So here we are, guys. We have now created our creamy sauce. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my cooked pasta and just give it a good stir. So here we are, guys. Next step, I'm going to go right ahead and add my cooked shrimps and just give it a good stir as well. So here we are, guys. How to cook delicious shrimp pasta. How to make shrimp pasta. I hope you give this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question you may have below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So guys, at this point we are all done. To finish it off, I'm just going to go ahead and add a pinch of chopped veggies and also my shrimps. As always, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe, which you can achieve in no time at all. As always, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Until next time.